here we are with the Google Cloud and Google Cloud P, Google GCP Workspace, Google Platforms, and GCP Full Guide for all the beginners. So this is our video's topic, and like you can see that the growth skills with the Google trainings are trending nowadays. Here are multiple videos with the GCP and multiple videos on all the topics are here. You can see that the video has the Google platform full course. Google platform's full course basically depends upon the demand skills in emerging cloud technologies. You can see more, and here you can see this. What are the major components of the Google products? So people have their questions that exploring Google growing demand skills in emerging cloud technologies with Google Cloud training and certifications. Explore Google product GCP and Google Cloud Skills Boost, our definite destinations for learning skills development and certifications. Make the most of the great saving available through Innovators Plus, designed for developers and technical practitioners. Innovator Plus and Google Cloud GCP provides the best of the Google Cloud skill building at significant savings for $299 per year. Through this annual subscription, you can save up to your 80% on Google Cloud. Access to over 700 hands-on lab skill badges and courses. $500 Google Cloud credits, a Google Cloud certification voucher. Bonus $500 credit after the first certifications earned each year. Live earning learning events led by Google Cloud experts. Quarterly technical briefings hosted by Google Cloud executives and one-on-one consultations with Google Cloud experts. So Google Cloud training discovers on demand courses and hand-on labs on Google Skill Boost. So now learn, start Google crosses and many other things are in the topic. So to develop a learning plan for your team, purchase Google Cloud and download the IDC, Reel, and many other options are here for the Google Cloud. If you want to know the Google Workspace prices, the networking, you can see Google Business Starter is for $6, and oh my God, this was $6 before 1 minute ago, and now it's 12 USD. And you can see here I have another option. Number two, Google Business Plan is for $18, and Google first has business starters, which is about to $6. So the $6 account has the custom and secure business email, 100% participate videos meetings, 30 GB pool stated and per user security and management, and $12 has custom and secure business as well. 150 इसकी म्यूट बंद करना. 150 participant video meeting plus recordings, 230 TB pooled storage per user security and management. So custom and secure business email plus e-discovery on the Google production and the Google Cloud are the most beneficial platform for the Google Cloud. This is the Google Cloud component, but our first topic was Google Workspace. So Google Workspace gives you the most enhanced features. You can see the Google product. Here is the real image showing that how many product are Google using: services, data analysis, internet things, custom machines. I hope you like